Elon Musk has created 3 holding companies in his attempt to buy Twitter. Yeah, there's probably some maneuvering necessary to achieve this, isn't there? In order to, whatever the maximum, most efficient from all perspectives, tax perspectives, government perspectives, Elon Musk created 3 new holding companies according to SEC filings. The filings show the companies are part of his plan to buy Twitter. They could also open the door to combining Musk's portfolio of companies under one parent company. Ooh, what would that be called? What would Musk's parent of all the companies be called?
Musky Umbrella.
Musky.
Yeah, he would do something funny.
Yeah.
Would
like
he
very
though? I don't
silly.
know, because Tesla, the name Tesla is not, it's very serious. SpaceX, very serious. Boring company, arguable.
Right.
Smallest company he has, by the way.
Yeah.
Or no, I guess Neuralink. Neuralink, very serious as well.
Very serious, yeah.
Shout out Rado.
Although he has a funny story for how like Tesla became the name. Right.
What
So
if he
that's a
did?
little-
What if he did call it Umbrella?
The
I
Umbrella.
think that would be awesome. Like
Or
he's the umbrella.
parent?
Oh wow. Just
straight up
call
parent.
it what it is.
I
A
don't know.
parent company called Parent.
I don't know, man. Shout out Adam. Shout out Max. Elon Musk created 3 separate holding companies on Wednesday as part of his bid to buy Twitter, according to documents filled with the Securities and Exchange Commission.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there we go. Companies are
company.
called X Holdings. Yeah. See, he did what I said. He's like
not far off.
the most generic.
X holding 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah. X Holdings 1, 2, and 3. And 2 filings to the SEC state that all the companies have been established to acquire or merge with Twitter directly or indirectly. The filings all refer to the plan as Project X. Oh, man. Well, because when it came to the X-Men, I like the Professor X as well. So you don't have to sell me on it.
Yeah.
The
There's
le-
also a movie called Project X.
Yeah. Well, that's bad. I don't think that's...
Shout out Max. It's a bad movie?
No, it's a great movie, but the whole movie's about this kid who threw like...
Spoiler.
You're right. It's in the title.
No,
it's in the trailer. Yeah. Kid throws a huge party that gets way out of hand.
Yeah.
Isn't it based off a true story?
I think so, yeah.
Huh.
Hundreds of people.
Yeah,
Maybe thousands. I
it's-
don't know.
It's an intense film.
All right, so they call it Project X. Musk offered to buy Twitter's outstanding stock, $54.20. Yeah, we remember that. It was like $46 billion. He expressed enthusiasm for the idea of bringing his companies under one parent company named X in a 2020 tweet. I remember that tweet, but I guess that's a long time ago right now. Shout out Samir, shout out Danny. Although in a recent TED conference interview, he said it would be tricky. Tesla's publicly traded company and the investor base of Tesla and SpaceX are certainly Boring Company and Neuralink are quite different, he said. Are they quite different? The investor base? I guess. Tesla's so mainstream.
Yeah.
You're a Tesla shareholder.
Yeah.
So you would have zero interest in his other companies?
I wouldn't say zero, but it might. You're right. It might make it a little murky.
Really?
Because Tesla already does.
You wouldn't go for a little SpaceX or a little Neuralink, get in early?
and do like a whole umbrella thing. No, I think I want to pick and choose where I'm in and where I'm out. You would go full umbrella?
I don't know.
I mean, listen, it wouldn't be a bad move. Like, he's done well in almost every...
In a way, you're kind of hedging, too.
Yeah.
You're kind of like, okay, maybe Tesla slows down a bit, but you got good stuff with SpaceX or whatever it might be.
Yeah. But you stay within your competency.
Some Starlink stuff going on. You stay within your competency. Is that financial advice?
Exactly.
He just said stay within your competency. This guy's been watching way too many financial videos on YouTube.
It's the only thing I watch other than like tech stuff. It goes straight to finance stuff.
He just told you guys to stay within your competency, all right?